respected principals, our teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear friends. Good morning, one and all. My name is Zumaira. I am studying 8th class in Talent English Medium School. Today I am very happy to say the few words of President of India, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India, worked as the President of two terms. He was also the President of Constituent Assembly. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1962, tenure 26th January 1952, 13th May 1962.
Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the second President of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born in 5th September 1888. His birthday was celebrated as Teachers' Day. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954, tenure 1962 to 1967.
Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain became the first Muslim President of India, tenure 13th May 1967 to 3rd May 1969. Dr. Zakir Hussain died in his post. The immediate to Vice President D.V. Giri was made acting Chief Guest of Supreme Court. Muhammad Hadithullah became President from 26th August to 26th July. Muhammad Hadithullah was awarded of Padma Bhushan at Government of India.
D.V. Giri was the fourth President of India. His full name was Varahagiri Venkatagiri. He became the only person to be elected President as an independent candidate in 1975. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1975. Tenure 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1970. Ali Muhammad was the President of India. He was the second President who died the post of the President. Tenure 24th August 1974 to 11th February 1974.
Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy became the sixth President of India. He was the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh State. He was the first South India Telugu President of India, longest President of India, who was elected anonymously. Tenure 25th July 1977 to 25th July 1982. He was the sixth Lok Sabha Speaker of India.
Venkataram. He was the 8th President of India. He was the 7th Vice President of India. Full name Ramaswamy Venkataram. Ramaswamy Venkataram was an Indian lawyer, freedom fighter and politician who served as an Union Minister and as the President of India. Tenure 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992.
Dr. Shankar Daya Sharma. He was the 9th President of India. He was the 8th Vice President of India from 1952 to 1956. He was the CM of Bhopal and Cabinet Minister from 1956 to 1967. The International Bar Association gave them the Living Legend of Law Awards of recognition due to multi-achievement in the legal profession. Tenure 25th July 1992 to 25th July 1977.
He was the first scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. Kalam became the President of India. He was the 11th President of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam came to be known as a Missile Man of India. In his direct rays, Rohini I satellites, Agni Prithvi missiles were successfully launched. Tenure 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007.
Pratibha Devi Singh Patel. Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patel was the first woman President of India. She was the governor of Rajasthan before becoming the President. From 1962 to 1985, she was a member of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly 5 times and was elected from the Amravati to Lok Sabha in 1991. Tenure 25th July 2007 to 25th July 2012.
Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee was the Finance Minister. Pranab Mukherjee was the Finance Minister in government before contesting President. Mukherjee was the Finance Minister in the government before contesting the President election. He was awarded the Best Parliamentary Award in 1977 and Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor in 2008. He died.
Kovind Ramnath Kovind was born October 1st, 1945 in Uttar Pradesh, India. He is an Indian lawyer and a politician. He is the 14th President of India. He became the President on 25th July 2017 and he is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He is the former governor of Bihar, tenure 25th July 2017 to 57 still. First tribal woman president of India. She is a Santa tribal committee in Orissa state. She is the 15th president of India. She is the first president born in independence India. With these few words, I conclude my self-introduction by thanking our center sir.
Okay, thank you all.